Creating private name servers at Network Solutions. This demo assumes you have a domain name registered through Network Solutions and starts from their home page. Now let's learn how to create our own custom private name servers. Click Login to sign into your account. Enter your user ID and password to log in. Click My Domain Names. Then scroll down to the bottom and click Manage Name Servers. Enter your new name server, then click Go. Enter the name server's IP address, then click Go. Click Save Changes. Now repeat the process to create your second name server. That's it! You've successfully created custom private name servers for your domain name. Please note that it could take up to 24 hours for your new private name servers to propagate and be recognized across the Internet. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create private name servers at Network Solutions.